Hi there guys, welcome to our fresh new episode. We'll be unboxing a giant of a phone from China's flagship company Honor. A truly solid built phone which carries the specs which would give Samsung S23 a run for its money. Magic Pro 5 is pitched against big guys like Apple and Samsung, their top-end offering. In fact, Apple's new offerings, which are twice in price, are merely a dwarf comparing it to this beast. We'll be sharing with you our first-hand experience, so do stick around and find out. This is a monster of a phone with beast of a battery. If that wasn't enough, they've included an Honor supercharger, which will take from 0 to 120 minutes. Camo lens cluster have its own unique style. Unlike any other brand, battery is big and powerful, enough to take you through the day. I would fully recommend this phone, especially in the face of price hike by main big guys like Samsung and Apple, who have now gone to the stage where poor public have to take loans to own their devices, which are no better than this one. I use this phone all day long and charge it only once in 24 hours. 15 minutes to the plug and phone is ready to tackle your everyday tasks. Now the negative things, which I have picked up while using it for past 1 year or so. Glossy back attracts dirt like magnets pull iron. Though it's Android, but compatibility with some apps, kind of, makes it not very accurate when it comes to displaying. Only in rare cases though. Inside the box, you'll have a silicone case and SIM tray ejection too, along with Magic Charger. It's a beast of a charger, quality written all over it. Honor Magic 5 Pro specs, PGTM195G, storage 512GB, 12GB RAM, factory unlocked GSM, dual SIMs, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, IP68 water resistance, the 6.81-inch Full HD Plus Old Quad Curve, floating screen 1312 by 2848, with 120Hz refresh rate, 5450 mAh battery, 50MP main camera. It's so much better to have a phone where you don't worry about battery running out. Superb quality camera and very fast processor. Honor has launched a new phone which is next updated version 6. Thanks for watching, do subscribe and like the video.